How's it going, guys? Back with another video on my YouTube channel. And first and foremost, if you guys are coming to this video because of the topic sneakers, clothes, or anything related to streetwear or to clothes, to accessories, whatever, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you like my content. Very important to do because most people come to my videos and they never actually seen a video before. So if you do like, don't forget to support it. You are welcome to my small but humble community. And today we are going to talk about these Jordan 4s. These have been released very recently, although I know that when people clicked on this video and it started, you might have thought these are a pair of breads, and you are not totally wrong. These are actually a pair of breads, but they are the most recent release, the bread leather version. These are the reimagined Jordan Bread 4s. They are from the reimaged collection, from the Lost and Found and from the Hyper Royal OGs and stuff like that. Also for the Jordan 3s, they have also been reimaged, and this time they came up with the Jordan 4s. This pair, for sure, a very nice reimage. Some people complained that there was nothing much change to it. The only things that changed actually were the puffiness of the tongue and also the leather material being changed from a no-buck material to or from Durabuck, actually Durabuck, to this leather. And I think from Durabuck to leather there's a big improvement, especially if you are looking to rock breads on winter times, if you are looking for rocking breads on rain, snow, whatever the weather it is. It's definitely better to have a leather shoe, we all know that. And for some reason the Durabuck was very nice enough to keep yourself safe using the breads, but this time they are much longer, much resistant, much stronger shoes because they are made out of this beautiful tumbled leather right here. Look at the quality of this leather, bro. So I'm here to talk about actually the seller of these shoes, the guys that provided me these shoes and allowed me to change the laces and make them look beautiful as they are. I've been rocking this pair for a month already since they were released, and I actually had them for a longer time. That's why I'm only making this video now, because they are now released and you guys can cop them. Some people are not okay with rocking samples or unreleased shoes, and for your information purposes, it's very important to notice that these are UAs and verified authentic, so it means they are not the same as retails. Anyway, the video is for educational purposes. If you want to cop them, the links will be on the first link on the description, but I don't advertise it in any way possible. Again, this video is for educational purposes only. So the guys that sent me High Foot, they promote this kind of quality. We are talking about one-on-oneness. The way that they come in the box, it's the same as they come as the retail. They come very fast. It doesn't smell bad or anything like that. We are talking about pure 1-to-1 quality, and that's why you pay around 100 bucks for these. But attention to that, because with my code, actually there is a code designated for me. The code will be also on the description, and with my code you guys can have a very nice discount of $70 on these. So you can get these for less than 100 bucks, which is freaking impressive if you think about it, because these are going for a crazy amount nowadays. They are going for a crazy high rate price, and for a $70 coupon discount usage, you can get this for less than 100 bucks. That is freaking insane in my opinion, and I'm telling you by experience, and because I'm sponsored by them, they kind of provide me with all of this good quality. They are telling me, hey, use your code and your followers will get 100 less discount on a pair of Jordan 4s. 70 bucks of discount if the pair costs like let's say 130, 140. 70 bucks discount and you are under 100 shipped for this. I'm telling you, there's nothing much better than that. We are talking about one-on-oneness. This ain't no DH, this ain't no AliExpress, no Wish quality. We are talking about very nice. And I know that nowadays Timo and stuff like that are very popular for selling stuff like this for like 20 bucks. But let's be real, bro. If you pay 20 bucks for this, definitely these won't be the result coming to your home. You won't get something as good as this at your doorstep. You'll probably get something that looks like this, but then it won't feel like this. It won't be real leather like this. It won't be as puffy as this. In quality wise, you won't be as much satisfied as if you go through these guys iFood that provide this kind of quality. So we are talking about under 100 bucks for a pair like this, for Jordans like this. We are not talking about medium to low quality. This is high quality, which is really impressive nowadays what they can do with under 100 bucks. So again, these are not retails, but look at them, bro. Look at them. If you have retails, let me know in the comment section what you think, because a lot of people recently have been coming to my videos and telling me the quality that you show is the same as my retails. It's impressive. I will definitely have copped if I knew. So that's something that gets me very impressed, and I like to have like legit feedbacks, right? So if you don't think they are good, let me know why do you think there's something on them. Like bro, you cannot tell, because they are definitely the same as what you find on the freaking retails. The only thing they don't have is like the upside down Jordan. I don't know if you guys seen, but the upside down Jordan that came on retail and sold for like 70k, that's crazy. But again guys, if you want to cop this, if you're looking for good quality, if you're looking for a good price ratio, nowadays it's very difficult to find a good quality with a good price ratio, because of course quality is paid, and we are talking about 170 usually for these, even on the UA markets. But nowadays, and with these guys, HiFoot, I truly approve them. They will send you something like this in under what, 7 to 10 days shipped, max 12 days business days, and you will have them at your doorstep with the service that you choose, either FedEx, DHL, whatever you choose. So basically that's it guys. I think they are really approved. I've been rocking these for a minute now, since the last month, like 1-2 months, and they are super good, super incredible in terms of quality. Jordans for less than 100 bucks and being one-on-one, it's a rarity. Comes with the box, comes with the papers, comes with the experience, very fast shipping, and very secure quality. I'm telling you, if you order them and if you don't like the quality of these, under the link that I have on my description, you can come on my comment section and just rant and say that they are bad or that I'm a scammer or whatever, because bro, I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Go through all my videos, check the quality of the other shoes, and I always have something good and bad to point out, but for these, unfortunately, I can't point fingers, bro. These are 1-to-1 quality. So I hope that you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, don't forget to comment your opinions, don't forget to like. If you never been through my videos before, just check my channel, there are more videos of this. And if you do like, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. My name is Raptor, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.